Nanku Premato Telugu movie summary. Abhiram is the youngest son of London-based businessman Subramaniam. He quits his job, starts his own company, KMC Pipes and Canals, and completes his company's first project in Spain. He learns that his father is suffering from pancreatic cancer and has roughly a month or more to live. Subramaniam reveals his name as Ramesh Chandra Prasad, who was once London's richest entrepreneur, who lost all his wealth because of a cunning man, Krishna Murthy Kautilya, who made his worldwide business empire cheating Ramesh Chandra. He was then forced to change his name to Subramaniam and got rich again after years of work. Subramaniam requests his three sons to take revenge on his behalf. Subramaniam's first son lies to him that he has filed a lawsuit against Krishna Murthy to pacify him, but Abhiram takes matters into his own hands. He sets 30 days to bring down Krishna Murthy and hires three youngsters who are shown to love their fathers dearly. He targets Krishna Murthy's daughter Divyanka aka Divya to reach him. Divya reciprocates Abhiram's feelings after saving her from kidnapping and spending every last penny of their family bank balance to buy her a 25 crore US $9 million painting. Abhiram meets Krishna Murthy at Divya's birthday party, but Krishna Murthy turns out to be aware of Abhiram's intentions. Meanwhile, Subramaniam gets admitted to the hospital as his condition turns critical. Abhiram's brothers cut ties with him after they came to know that Abhiram wasted their property on the painting. Krishna Murthy plants a bug in Abhiram's lair, because of which he discovers their plans, and Divya too learns of Abhiram's intentions and breaks up with him. Krishna Murthy had grabbed the People Oil and Natural Gas project, which is one of the largest oil and gas bases in Europe belonging to a businessman Kapil Sinha in Spain, to where he goes with Divya. Abhiram follows them with his group but gets kidnapped by Divya's henchmen. She does so as she wants to find his plans of ruining her father. Abhiram regains Divya's love and also gets her to meet her mother in prison, whom she had not met since she was 4 years old, and reveals her mysterious dream. Krishna Murthy had planted drugs in their bag during one of their travels, but the airport security found the bag with Divya's mother when Krishna Murthy and Divya were in the washroom. Krishna Murthy leaves his wife to save himself and his daughter. Divya begins to loathe her father. Krishna Murthy, under the guise of Abhiram, sends a false message to Abhiram's elder brother Vamsi that his father has died. Vamsi rushes to the hospital to meet Abhiram, who says that he did not send any message. His brother becomes furious. Immediately, Abhiram receives a bouquet sent by Krishna Murthy where he finds a deathstalker in it and gets bitten by it. Krishna Murthy sends some clues to Abhiram to find the antidote, which is not available in any pharmacy. In a series of events, the lives of all, Abhiram and his brothers, are endangered. Abhiram finds the antidote and saves his brothers but gets arrested in a medical drug case. His elder brother bails him out, and Abhiram's brothers patch up with him. Meanwhile, it turns out that the painting gifted to Krishna Murthy had a camera in it and that Abhiram was also aware of Krishna Murthy's plans. Abhiram accesses Krishna Murthy's bank number, transferring 40,000 crore US $4.6 billion to his family account. It is also revealed that the People Oil and Natural Gas land that Krishna Murthy grabbed was no real gas land, and the gas there was given by tunnels planted by Abhiram's KMC company, Krishna Murthy Mosam Chese Company, Lit. Cheating Krishna Murthy Company. Kapil is revealed to be Satpal Singh, Subramaniam's ex-advisor and best friend, who had been supporting Abhiram since the beginning. Krishna Murthy becomes of the same condition as Ramesh Chandra Prasad and absconds and changes his identity to Subramaniam. Divya and her mother move in with Abhiram's family. Sadly, Ramesh Chandra succumbs to his disease and dies but smiles as he finally sees his enemy's life ruined. At the funeral, Everyone mourns Ramesh Chandra Prasad, but Abhiram still does not cry as he thinks that his father will go the day he cries.